Tom was a tall man with brown hair and kind blue eyes. He was strong from working on the farm every day. His hands were rough, but his heart was gentle. He loved his wife, Anna, who had shiny blonde hair and warm brown eyes. Anna was a teacher at the village school. She loved to read books and plant flowers in their garden. They lived in a cozy house with a red roof and a small garden full of colorful flowers. The village was peaceful, with narrow streets, green fields, and friendly neighbors. Everyone knew each other. Tom and Anna were happy together. They woke up early every morning, had breakfast, and went to work. In the evenings, they sat by the fireplace, drinking tea and talking about their day. Lucy was their neighbor. She was young, cheerful, and full of energy. She had curly brown hair and bright green eyes. Lucy lived alone in a small white house with a blue door. She had a garden too, but it was wild with tall grass and colorful wildflowers. Lucy often visited Tom and Anna. She brought fresh bread or flowers from her garden. They liked her company, and she was always welcome in their home. One sunny morning, Anna packed her bag.
"I am going to visit my parents for a few days," she told Tom. "Take care, my love," Tom said, kissing her goodbye. Tom stayed home to take care of the farm. The days were long and quiet without Anna. One afternoon, Lucy knocked on the door. "Hi, Tom. Do you have some sugar? I ran out," she said with a smile. "Of course, Lucy." "Come in," Tom said. They sat in the kitchen. Tom made tea, and they talked about the farm, the weather, and life in the village. Lucy laughed at Tom's jokes, and Tom felt happy. Time passed quickly. The sun was setting, and the sky was painted with orange and pink colors. "You are a wonderful man, Tom," Lucy said softly. Tom felt nervous. "Thank you, Lucy," he said, looking away. When Anna returned home, she noticed that Tom was different. He was quieter than usual. "Is everything okay, Tom?" she asked, concerned. "Yes, everything is fine," Tom said, but his heart felt heavy. Days passed, but Tom couldn't hide his feelings. One evening, he sat down with Anna. "I need to tell you something," he said. "What is it?" Anna asked, worried. "I have feelings for Lucy. I didn't plan this, but it happened. I am so sorry," Tom confessed. Anna's heart broke. Tears filled her eyes.
Anna couldn't speak. She stood up and went to the garden. The flowers swayed gently in the evening breeze, but Anna didn't notice their beauty. Her heart was filled with pain. Tom watched her from the window. He felt ashamed and guilty. "I love you, Anna," he whispered to himself. Days passed. Tom worked hard on the farm, hoping Anna would forgive him. Lucy understood that Tom loved his wife, and she decided to keep her distance. One evening, Anna came to Tom. Her eyes were tired, but there was kindness in them. "Love is not always easy," she said. "But I believe we can be happy again if we try." Tom's eyes filled with tears. "Thank you, Anna. I promise to be the best husband for you." They hugged tightly, and Tom felt hope return to his heart. Tom and Anna decided to rebuild their love. They spent more time together, talking, laughing, and sharing their dreams. Tom never saw Lucy as more than a friend again. In time, their love grew even stronger. Tom learned the value of honesty and loyalty. Anna forgave him, and their hearts were full of love and happiness. They lived a peaceful and joyful life, grateful for the lessons they learned.